Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, we are going to see SIEM, Security Information and Event Management. And we'll see one example using the tool Splunk, which is very popular and you can download the enterprise edition for that. So what exactly is Splunk? Okay. So why it is very essential? So I've added one simple theory of that. It is not a simple task and enough to keep the security team busy 24/7. Even prior to cyber attack, we can't tell security team to 24/7 work on a particular thing to see the vulnerabilities. It will cost you a lot of money. So in that place, if you have a tool that can manage everything, it is very cost effective. If the team depends on a basic log management tool to collect, store, search the logs, the organization is going to fall behind the securities come to attack. Let us say if you have a tool also which is only can manage the logs, only can do the basic management of the tool, you will fall behind because the attackers will have lot of techniques to attack, right? So attackers are becoming more dangerous and regulatory mandates are continuously evolving. Basic tool can't just help. So cyber security, the hackers who are doing a lot of hacking or cyber attacks, they upskill themselves to a different thing. All the time they upskill themselves, they create new viruses, and it will be difficult to manage if you have a tool which has only basic features. Okay, so for that we can have this time to deploy more sophisticated solutions, security information and event management tool. Okay, SIM solutions have become integral part of the network and security ecosystem and are critical for tackling advanced target cyber attacks. So the what is the use of SCF? It's an advanced management security tool which can help you to overcome the cyber attacks, to tackle them in a more advanced manner. Okay, let us see one simple tool. Let us see Splunk. So if I download Splunk here, click on it, so it will navigate you to the this website Splunk, the key to uh, excellent resilience. Click on it, so you'll get make sure organization is resilient. Even you have the Splunk mobile also. Even for mobile you can download. Okay, go to right hand side, click on the free Splunk, just click on that. For this, guys, you have to make sure that you have to write all your business email, password, first name, last name, job title, etc. So once you register with the Splunk, you'll get this cloud username and password. So this is the interface of the Splunk, what we have. So now we'll do a few things here. So this is just like an ocean. If you explore it, you'll get a lot of things. Just click on settings. In the settings, you have to click on indexes. Once you click on indexes, we can create a new index. So in the right top corner will be the new index. Let me click on the new index. Here I have to give the index name VPN injection. I can give raw data as 100 MB. This is VPN injection got created. I clicked on save also. Now let me go to settings and then I have to add the data. Let me click on add data. So once you click on add data, there are many different views where we can add the data. You can upload it from the computer, you can monitor it here. Now, since I have data in my machine, let me click on upload. So I'll be uploading. Let me click on select file. So once I click on the select file, I'll be getting the data. Let me click on desktop. To downloads, I don't have the data. Let me click on the desktop again. So once I click on desktop, VPN logs.json is there. Let me click on open. The file will be successfully uploaded. Now I just have to click on next. So when you click on next, you'll be getting this. The data will become in the table format. You have left side IP address, message, protocol, status, timestamp. And also I have the left hand side timestamp is there, advanced is there. Of that, let me click on next. Here we can give the default value of the index to VPN ingestion. That will be over. We can see the constant value. After that, we can click on review. So it is input file, uploaded file name VPN logs.json, source type is JSON, host we have, index is VPN ingestion. So let me click on submit. So once you submit, you'll get this file. File has been successfully uploaded. Now let me click on setting. Let me start another index. So we had a CSV file as you have seen in the desktop. Let me add that index now. Let me click on new index name CSV data. I'll write. So max raw data size, I can give it as 10 MB for now. Search retention will be 10 days. Click on save. So actually we can have to give minimum 100 MB. Let me give 100 MB and let me click on save. So once I click on save, CSV data is added. Let me click on add data for CSV data. Settings, add data. The data will be upload from my computer. Let me click on upload. So I can upload it here. So let me click on select file, sample cs.csv. Click on OK. File has been successfully uploaded. Let me click on next. Here you can see the table and left side timestamp, delimiter, settings, field, advanced settings is also there. Let me click on next. Here we have to select index as CSV data. So let me click on review. So once you review, you'll get upload file sample CSV, and also we can start searching. Let me click on that. So once you click on that, I'll be projected away to the search field where we can see the entire data. See, these are the events of the CSV file. So this is the event log. This is the open VPN connections file sample.csv. This is the entire search result, and the timeline should be there, and it should be for all time. So let us see index equal to VPN ingestion that we just created a while ago. So it should be result should be all time. Let me add VP ingestion. So that also should be displayed properly. Let me click on enter. So VP ingestion gives the proper results here. Okay. So let me see the left hand fields. Left hand fields are also there. Host, source type, etc. No, let me click on settings. Settings, we have data inputs. This is also one of the scenarios we can see in the data input. We can also see the HTTP event collector, Splunk secure gateway mobile LSTTL, config modular input, and many others. Let us navigate to next page. So also we have many local inputs. Okay, let me click on HTTP event collector. We can create a HTTP event collector. This is fairly used in Mac, where we can add a curl, and based on HTTP event collector token, we can do a lot of things. But in the Windows here, as I'm using, we'll just create an event and we'll see in this thing. So let me click on global settings. So in the global settings, enabled is already there. For the token, disabled is not. Select the source type. We can click on structured. In the structured, we can see JSON, CSV, everything is there. Let me click on CSV. So default index, we can give it as main for now. And enable SSL is there. Port number is 8088. So let me click on save. So once you click on save, we can see this HTTP event collector name is there, source name override is optional, description is also optional. Now we can write the name as test token. We can give underscore in between. Source name override also we can give. So this is optional. Name should be mandatory. So we can give an optional name. Let us give me as a token, and then we can click on next. So once you click on next, we have to see here. Here automatic is selected, and the items which we have to select here will be main. Selected allowed indexes. So here default should be main in default index. After that, let me click on review. Then we can click on submit. Here the same thing, we can start searching, but token value is generated. Token value, we can copy this, we can save it somewhere else, and when we are doing HTTP event collector, we can use it. So let me go to HTTP event collector. Here I can click on edit, disable, delete. This token is already generated. The token value is already there. Let me click on edit. So edit is clicked. So once we click on edit, we can give description as optional, source we can give, and we have to select the source type. Here, selected allowed indexes. Let me click on main. So click on save. So we'll see how we can refine the search. Let us go to search history. Let us see this one. A simple example. Let us click on add to search. So when you click on add to search, click on search here, you will get the sample.csv what we have added. See, this is one way to refine a search. Actually, if you want to refine a search, I can add few more things here. If I want to add, can I click on here? So I can click on the VPN search and I can click on add to search. So when you click on add to search, now one more search will be added, source VPN logs.json. I can click on add to search. So it will give me more search results. So as this is just one way to refine the search items. Okay, so we can add few more things. Let me so we'll got the exact refined. Okay, if what we want the table view. Okay, let me go to the search again. Click on create table view. So click on anything. Let us click on internal. So we can have all source type. Click on next. Yeah, you can see this is the table view of Splunk of the raw data. We can create a table view also like this using Splunk. Okay, these are a few things which we have gone through, guys. But Splunk is a plethora of data. It's an ocean. We can search many things. We can do all the event management there. Many things are there: data models, event types, tags, fields, lookups, etc. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.